Raining in Kentville, Nova Scotia, Canada. Rain showers in Kentville town, Nova Scotia, Canada. Please subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Slushy and wet and raining. What do you think of that? Please subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you very much. It's a wet day in Kentville, Nova Scotia, Canada. We got the big snowstorm. Now we're getting the rain showers. We'll get a flood later tonight. You watch. There'll be a flood in Kentville tonight. Subscribe and share and take care. Bye for now. Know what I mean? Subscribe now to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you very much. And have a good day. Know what I mean? There's Sharon shoveling snow down at the driveway. Wet day in Kentville town. Yes, sir. Share the 13,000 videos of Dennis Ramsay with your friends and family. Know what I mean? Bye for now, folks. Have a good day. Here comes a car. No, it was a truck. Bye for now, folks. Subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel, won't you? Take care and have a good day.